Friends, do you want financial freedom in your life? All of us are doing some job or business to meet our life's needs, but in this race, we end up spending our entire lives just working and are unable to fulfill our dreams. What's the use of work where we neither have money on our terms nor time on our terms? If you too are searching for a platform that gives you the opportunity to earn money the way you want, then you've come to the right place. Today, I am going to tell you about a platform that is going to create a huge buzz all over the world in the coming time. This system is called IGBot Pro. The company started in 2017 and its headquarters is in Tokyo, Japan. This is an AI trading bot that works in different markets and is fully automatic. Once you start it, it trades on your funds daily in a planned and systematic way, ensuring good daily profits for you. If we were to buy such a bot ourselves, we would have to spend lakhs of rupees and manage it ourselves. But if you simply take a subscription to this company, you get access to this bot without paying any management fee. The reason is simple: whatever profit the company earns from this bot, a part of it goes to you, and a part remains with the company. What is IGBot Pro? IGBot Pro is an advanced artificial intelligence (AI)-based trading bot. It reads the market, catches trends, and makes smart trades with your funds completely automatically. This is not just any bot, it's your intelligent trading partner. IGBot Pro began with a mission to enable every common person to earn like an expert. The dream is to create a world where trading is easy, technology is accessible to everyone, and income is in every hand. To achieve this goal, Singapore's Alexio formed a team of developers, AI experts, and professional traders. Together, they created a system capable of generating daily income. IGBot Pro's foundation was laid in the USA. At that time, the market was becoming faster and more technical, leaving common people behind. IGBot Pro was built to make trading simple and profitable for everyone. Today, this bot is part of thousands of people's trading journeys worldwide, leading them toward financial freedom. You too can be part of this change, a change that has turned into millions in earnings. Our mission and vision. Our mission is to give every person an intelligent and automatic trading solution that makes even the toughest markets easy for the common man. Without technical knowledge, without reading charts, you can trade like a professional. We want to see a world where financial freedom is not limited to the rich but reaches every individual. IGBot Pro's vision is to become the global leader in AI trading, a source of income for every household. Now income will no longer be limited, it will be automatic and scalable. Why choose IGBot Pro? IGBot Pro is worth choosing because truly hands-free, set it up once, and it runs on its own. Best risk management, stop loss, auto-exit, and volatility control protect your capital. Faster than humans, makes decisions and trades in microseconds. Operates on live data, reacts instantly to every market change. Multi-market support, forex, crypto, and other trading options in one place. This means smart work, smart income, and a smart life. IGBot Pro is not just a bot, it's a full AI-powered financial ecosystem including AI-based automatic trading system, forex trading support, crypto mining facility, 24/7 live market monitoring, your all-in-one income machine, powerful features, advanced AI trading engine that analyzes data every second, live market analysis for instant decision-making, multi-asset compatibility, trade in different markets simultaneously, performance analytics dashboard to track growth and income, smart risk management tools to keep funds safe. A bot with all this is not just a bot, it's a revolution. Crypto mining. Ever wondered how crypto is created? Crypto mining is the process of validating new transactions on a blockchain using powerful computing systems. In return, the miner earns new cryptocurrency. This means, apart from trading, you can earn by securing the network. Forex trading. Forex means currency trading. Here, you exchange currencies like USD, EUR, GBP, etc. It is the world's largest and fastest financial market, operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. IGBot Pro helps you profit from this market with professional-grade trading. Robotic trading. No human emotions, only data and logic. Robotic trading means algorithm-based automatic trading. The software detects trends, makes decisions, and executes trades without human intervention. And IGBot Pro is a master at this technology. Investment plan. Imagine if your money worked for you every day, how easy life would be. IGBot Pro offers a smart plan that gives you daily growth and regular income. Minimum investment starts from $30. No maximum limit, invest as much as you want. Minimum withdrawal amount is $25. Withdraw anytime, 24/7 system availability. Total financial freedom, invest when you want, withdraw when you want. How you earn? IGBot Pro offers 3 strong income sources. Trading income, the bot trades with your investment daily and gives you profit. Direct income, earn when you refer someone and they invest. Level income plus rewards, as your team grows, your income and bonuses increase. Direct income. Whenever you refer someone to IGBot Pro and they invest, you earn 6.5% direct income instantly. Example, if you refer 10 people and each invests $100, you instantly earn $65. Trading income. The bot trades daily and gives you 3% profit per day, split as 1.5% credited directly to your wallet, 1.5% withdrawable immediately, 100% automatic. You do nothing, but still earn daily. Level income. You can earn up to 10 levels deep from your team's investments. Level 1, 10%. Level 2, 8%. Level 3, 7%. Level 4, 6%. Level 5, 5%. Level 6, 4%. Level 7, 3%. Level 8, 2%. Level 9, 1%. Level 10, 0.5%. To unlock each level, you need at least one direct referral. Rewards income. As your team and business volume grow, you earn cash bonuses from $100 to $5 million, $100, $250, $750, $2,000, $5,000, $25,000, $75,000, $300,000, $1 million, $5 million. This means not just money, but recognition and prestige too. Wallet system. Referral income, 100% goes to the withdrawal wallet. Other incomes, 50% to withdrawal wallet, 50% to business wallet. From your business wallet, you can retop up yourself or your team. Maximum income limit, 500% of your investment. After that, you must retop up to continue earning. Important conditions. Blockchain-based DApp system. Minimum investment, $30. 2% withdrawal fee. Withdrawal time, 0 to 72 hours. 1 account per email. Account is non-transferable. 1 direct referral required per level unlock. Deposits via BEP20 USDT network. All incomes distributed automatically via smart contract. Your financial freedom starts now. IGBot Pro offers smart income source, fully automatic and transparent system, global scalability, team building opportunities, unlimited growth potential. If you found this information valuable, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Website www.igbotpro.world. Email info@igbotpro.world. Thank you.